You got it going on. Yeah, you got it going on.
Alright, welcome back to my channel. So the first thing that we're going to do is use the Got to Be glue to spray the lace, because we don't want the color to see through the lace. We want the lace to stay transparent. So Got to Be glue helps with that. As you can see, we're only using 2 colors. I am using Joico colors. Color Intensity brand. It's the semi-permanent. I chose semi-permanent because I don't want my wig to be I want to be able to switch out my colors if I wanted to. So semi-color, basically with a few washes, then the colors will start washing away. Or if I use a color remover, it won't be as permanent, so it should help remove the color effortlessly, you know. So we are doing 3 tones today, but we're only using 2 different colors, so you gotta know color theory, obviously. So the first color that we're doing is a nice magenta color, so I'm mixing the pink and I'm mixing the blue to get this nice purple color, which is going to be the middle color. So you want to start out with your middle color first, so therefore you can get the 3 shades that you want, but obviously you have to make sure that the middle color that you do, it makes sense, because you're going to need to lay, I would say, a darker color on top, and then towards the end you'll be able to use a lighter color. So you do have to be mindful about the 3 colors that you're going to use for the watercolor method, and you want to be smart about how you're layering them as well. So I chose magenta to go first because I knew that I'll be able to color the majority of the wig this magenta color, and then as you will see next, I'm going to do the blue, because blue will easily be able to go on top of purple since it's more pigmented, and they have the same cool undertone. So I knew that the blue will be able to take over the purple shades in the areas that I needed to. So yeah. So before you color your wig, I would just recommend that you be mindful of your placements, and of course, like I said, the colors that you're going to do. I do, as you can see, I have a hair tie, just blocking off where I want the pink, which is the last color, to be. So it just helps, it's kind of like a guide. It helps me keep everything where I want it to be, so I won't touch the ends at all, and don't go too far. Now when it comes to the blue, I just kind of just eyed it, honestly, and hope for the best. Now for each color, I did put in fresh hot water. I did try, like when I had the purple, I did try to just add some blue color to it and just see if it would mix blue. It didn't, and I was just like, all right, like I'm just gonna make fresh water. So I would recommend for each color that you do, just, you know, heat up some fresh water. And yeah, the wig came out so nice. Like, I love how it looked, and just doing the watercolor method is so easy. It's very time consuming. It's not time consuming, and you know, you can have new hair who this in like a few minutes. Like,